For homeowners in Redington Beach, Florida, staying cool is more than just a comfort, it's a necessity. With long summers, high humidity, and plenty of sunshine, air conditioners often run non-stop, driving up utility bills. While most families look to their HVAC systems for relief, the truth is your windows play just as important a role. Investing in energy-saving windows can dramatically cut cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable year-round. The challenge of Florida's climate. Redington Beach's coastal environment brings unique challenges for windows. Intense heat. Traditional single-pane windows allow the sun's heat to pour inside, making rooms hotter. High humidity. Poorly sealed windows let in warm, moist air that makes your AC work harder. Salt air exposure. Coastal conditions can corrode older frames, weakening seals and efficiency. These factors combined make it nearly impossible for outdated windows to perform well in Florida's demanding climate. How energy-saving windows work. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with features that directly address these challenges. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass with insulating gas between them reduce heat transfer. Low E coatings. Reflect infrared and ultraviolet rays, allowing light in while blocking heat. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum frames resist warping and corrosion, keeping seals tight. Improved weather stripping. Prevents air leaks, reducing drafts and keeping cool air inside. By combining these technologies, energy-saving windows act as a thermal barrier, keeping your Redington Beach home cooler without overloading your air conditioning system. Direct savings on cooling costs. Energy-saving windows provide measurable financial benefits for Redington Beach families. Lower energy use. With less heat entering your home, your AC doesn't need to run as often. Reduced strain on HVAC systems. This extends the life of your cooling equipment, saving on maintenance and replacement costs. Monthly savings. Many homeowners notice a drop in energy bills immediately after installation. Over time, these savings can offset the initial investment, making energy-efficient windows a smart long-term choice. Comfort beyond the savings. While cutting costs is a big benefit, energy-saving windows also improve everyday living. Even indoor temperatures. Say goodbye to hot spots near sun-facing windows. Reduced glare. Special coatings soften the intensity of sunlight while still allowing natural brightness. UV protection. Prevents fading of furniture, flooring, and artwork caused by the Florida sun. Quieter interiors. Multi-pane construction reduces outside noise, adding peace to your living spaces. These upgrades make your home more enjoyable, whether you're relaxing with family or entertaining guests. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows aren't just practical, they're attractive and add long-term value. Modern designs. Options like casement, picture, or sliding windows complement your home's architecture. Curb appeal. Clean, stylish windows instantly refresh the look of your home. Resale value. Buyers in Florida actively seek homes with energy-saving upgrades, making your property more competitive in the market. By investing in your home's windows, you're investing in its future value as well. Why professional installation matters. Even the best energy-saving windows won't perform properly if they aren't installed correctly. Airtight seals. Ensure no leaks undermine your investment. Proper alignment. Keeps windows operating smoothly for years. Local expertise. Professionals familiar with Redington Beach's climate can recommend the best materials and designs for your home. Professional installation ensures your new windows deliver maximum comfort, efficiency, and durability. Final thoughts. For homeowners in Redington Beach, energy-saving windows are one of the most effective upgrades for improving comfort and reducing cooling costs. By blocking heat, preventing drafts, and lowering strain on your AC system, these windows pay for themselves over time while enhancing your home's style and value. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or driving up your energy bills, now is the perfect time to consider energy-efficient replacements. With the right windows and expert installation, your home will stay cooler, your bills will shrink, and your family will enjoy a more comfortable living environment all year long.